See, synchronization, one of the enhancing method. Actually, synchronization is part of error handling, but nowadays it is independent topic. Generally, we synchronize QTP tool and AUT in order to avoid the errors. Synchronization part of error handling, but nowadays independent topic. Here first I will explain the chapter index, then one by one, topics one by one. First one, what is synchronization? What is synchronization? Next, why synchronization? Next, when synchronization? When synchronization is required? Next, how to synchronize? See, what, why, when, how. How to synchronize? Next, select an appropriate method. See, we have three methods. Conclusion, selecting appropriate method. See, select appropriate method. Method means way of synchronization. See, first, what is synchronization? Concentrate. What is synchronization? Say, this is global term. Synchronization is global term. You can find this term in databases also, not only in QTP test automation. Synchronization is global term. First I will explain global definition, then QTP local definition. First, global. Synchronization, it is a process of matching speeds of two things. It is a process of matching speeds of two things. Don't confuse. Matching is different, mapping is different. Next, QTP point of view definition. It is a process of matching speeds of QTP tool and application under test. QTP tool and application in order to get proper execution and result. See, once again, QTP point of view definition. Synchronization, it is a process of matching the speeds of QTP and application in order to get proper execution and result. Now tell me, Sujata, what is synchronization? First general definition, then our QTP orientation definition. QTP oriented definition. Continue.
So, global definition is, it is a process of matching speed of two things. QTP point of view, it is a process of matching speeds of QTP tool and application in order to get
proper execution and result. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, I think now all of you familiar with what is synchronization. Next, why synchronization? Why? See, during execution, see, when we get synchronization problem during execution, here two main concerns: test design, test execution. We get this problem during execution. During execution, QTP gives instructions one by one with the same speed. Means no issues with QTP tool. During execution, QTP gives instructions one by one with same speed, but application takes less time for some statements execution and more time for some statements execution. Here we can't blame the application also. Why? Some statements may require more time. Example, enter a value into edit box. Application can respond quickly. Click on link. Application can respond quickly. Check checkbox. Check radio button. Select radio button. Application can respond quickly. But some operations, example, downloading process, uploading process, order insertion process, they may take more time. So here we can't blame the application also. See, check once again. During execution, QTP gives instructions one by one with same speed, but application takes less time for some statements execution and more time for some statements execution. In order to keep them in sync, synchronization is required. See, up to now we created and executed so many tests, we didn't concentrate on this feature. When synchronization is required exactly? Synchronization is required sometimes when it is required. QTP default synchronization time is 20 seconds. If any statement takes more than 20 seconds for execution, there synchronization required. Suppose in our test 40 statements are there. First statement taking half second. After half second, it will go to next statement immediately. QTP can wait 20 seconds for every statement, but it won't wait unnecessarily. If required, it can wait maximum 20 seconds. Otherwise, it takes required time only, not maximum time. Suppose first statement taking half second, it waits half second. After half second, it will go to next statement immediately. Suppose second statement taking 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, it will go to third statement. Third statement taking 1 second. After 1 second, fourth statement. Fourth statement taking 19 seconds. It waits 19 seconds. After 19 seconds, it will go to next statement. Suppose next statement require 27 seconds. It waits maximum 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, it will show error. In order to avoid that type of error, we need to synchronize the tool and application. Getting this point, tell me, Manjula, why synchronization? Why synchronization?
There is a time difference between application and the QTP, and QTP executes steps at a regular speed.
1 minute. First of all, you are starting the sentence very wrong. What you told? There is a time difference between QTP and application. What is the time difference? Where time difference? No. Can you tell me, Bharati, why synchronization? No time difference between QTP and AUT generally, based on operations. Tell me, Bharati, why synchronization?
Sir, actually during execution, QTP gives instructions one by one with same speed, but application takes less time for some statements execution, and maybe some statements take more time to execute. So in order to overcome this situation, we need synchronization.
Good. See once again, why synchronization? During execution, QTP gives instructions one by one with same speed, but application takes less time for some statements execution and more time for some statements execution. Some statements may require more time. in order to overcome this one, means what is the problem? Synchronization, application taking more time. In order to keep them in sync, synchronization is required. Next, continue Manjula. When it is required exactly? Synchronization is required, okay, but when it is required exactly? When synchronization is required exactly?
I did not get that. I know the definition, but
Okay, cool. Sujata, continue. When synchronization is required?
The QTP default synchronization time is 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, it shows error message. That's why to avoid this, we use synchronization.
Good. QTP default synchronization timeout is 20 seconds. If any operation takes more than 20 seconds, their synchronization required. Okay. See, once again, all of you familiar with three concepts. First, what is synchronization? Why synchronization? When synchronization is required. What, why, when. First, what is synchronization? Already I told, synchronization is global concept. You can find this term in databases also, Oracle SQL Server, not only in QTP test automation. See, general definition, it is a process of matching speeds of two things. Process of matching speeds of two things. QTP point of view, QTP oriented definition, it is a process of matching speeds of QTP tool and application in order to get proper execution and result. Next, why synchronization? During execution, QTP gives instructions one by one with same speed, but application takes less time for some statements execution and more time for some other statements execution. In order to keep them in sync, synchronization is required. Next, when it is required exactly? QTP default synchronization time is 20 seconds. QTP can wait maximum 20 seconds for every statement. It can wait, but it won't wait for every statement. It waits only required time. Maximum it can wait 20 seconds. If any operation takes or any statement takes more than 20 seconds for execution, their synchronization required. Okay. Next, how to synchronize. See, here we have three regular methods and one irregular method also there. Three only regular methods. That one more irregular is there. That one is only for some scenarios, not for all scenarios. Only for some scenarios. Regular methods. First one, insert wait statement. Insert wait statement. Syntax, wait parenthesis time in seconds. Wait parenthesis time in seconds. Say with parenthesis, without parenthesis you can use. Both are valid syntax. See, with brackets, without brackets also you can mention time in seconds. Both are valid syntaxes. Okay. Next, second one, inserting synchronization point. See, this wait statement belongs to VB script. It is script feature, not tool feature. In library files also you can use this one, VB script features. Next, inserting synchronization point. See, inserting synchronization point. This is tool feature, QTP tool feature. Next, syntax, object hierarchy, dot weight property, object hierarchy dot weight property. See, this weight property is method. In methods chapter, we didn't discuss this method. It is time to discuss. Object hierarchy dot weight property. Next, within double quotes, property name, comma, property value, comma, time in milliseconds, 1000 milliseconds equal to 1 second. Time in milliseconds. See, time optional, but try to provide the time, otherwise indefinite time. Next, increase the tool default time. Increase the QTP tool default time. See, these three are the regular methods. Next, one more thing also there, that is not regular, not for all scenarios, only for some scenarios. Using exist property. Using exist property also, we can synchronize some. You can synchronize QTP tool and application under test for some scenarios. See, forget about last one. First three are regular methods. Okay. And one more thing. First two methods applicable on statement level. Last one applicable on test level. Suppose if you increase the till default time, that settings can be applied for all statements in the test. Suppose in our test 100 statements are there. If you increase the tool default time, that can be applied for all 100 statements. If it is synchronization point, test level, statement level. If it is wait statement, statement level. Tell me, Firoj Rai, what is the difference between first two methods and third method?
Yes, sir. First two methods are regular methods, and they're used at statement level.
Third one also regular. Third one also regular.
Okay, third one also regular. Now, third one is basically the using exist property, and this is changing the tool default time is more to do with the test level. So if you do it, if you make the changes, it will affect all the tests that we have.
Okay. Say 4 methods total. Forgot fourth one, that is not regular one, irregular, only for some scenarios. Remaining 3 methods. What are the 3 methods, Sandeep? What are the remaining 3 regular methods?
Sir, inserting wait statement and inserting synchronization point, and third one is increase the QTP tool default time.
Good. What is the difference between first 2 and third method?
Yes, sir. First 2 are statement level, and the third one is the test level.
Good. See, first two methods applicable on statement level, single statement. Third one applicable on test level. See, in our application, maximum statements below 10 seconds only. Intentionally I am reducing the tool default time. Intentionally I am reducing the tool default time in order to explain this concept. Concentrate. See, I'm taking the new test. Tool default time is 20 seconds. See, file menu, settings, run. Here 20 seconds. Intentionally I am reducing this one. Just assume start test design. My navigation is first insert order, next first insert order. See, this insert order process is taking some time. Suppose this is more than, just assume this is more than synchronization time. First insert order, then delete order. Run the script. See, executing, all steps executing. See, for this step synchronization time not sufficient, it showed error. Object disabled. See, without completing that insert order process, immediately it is clicking on delete order button. That time delete order button in disabled condition. That's why it is showing error. It has to wait up to delete order button get enabled. 1 minute. Again run the script. See, delete order button disabled. See, after timeout it is showing error. Did you understand this problem? Manjula, did you understand this problem?
Yes, sir.
Here synchronization required. First I will use wait statement. Try to identify the location where I need to insert the wait statement. Where we are getting the problem? After insert order. After insert order instruction, isn't it? See, wait 7 seconds. See, with brackets, without brackets, you can use wait statement. Run the script. Observe, Sujata, observe. Now problem rectified. Execution over. Execution over. Okay. Observe, Sujata, one more problem is there. Not problem. Small drawback is there in this wait statement. Try to find out the drawback. See, wait 17 seconds. Actually, there 5 to 6 seconds wait is enough, but I provided 17 seconds. Observe the small drawback of wait statement. See, it will solve the synchronization problem. No issues. It will solve the synchronization problem. But one small drawback is there. Try to identify the drawback. Run the script. Identify the drawback, Sujata. Tell me, identify the drawback. Over. Executed. Tell me, Sujata.
Sir, the synchronization time is more than enough, sir.
More than enough. What you found? Drawback is there. What is the drawback? Tell me, Bharati, what is the drawback?
Basically, it is waiting for 17 seconds which is like.
Can you tell me, Sandeep, in correct sentence? What is the drawback of wait statement?
Sir, application the script is waiting for more time, which is not required because the action got completed in very less time. So script is waiting more than the required time.
Okay, put mute. Put mute. Say, wait statement will solve the synchronization problem wherever you use. No problem. But one small drawback, it waits maximum time. It waits maximum time even though operation completed. It waits maximum time. Suppose 5 seconds required. If you give 10 seconds, after 10 seconds only it will go to next statement. Suppose 25 seconds required, you gave 40 seconds. After 40 seconds only it will go to next statement. Wait statements waits maximum. Wait statement waits maximum time even though operation completed. That is the drawback. See, first I am removing this wait statement. Instead of wait statement, we can use synchronization point. 1 minute. Run the script. Problem as it is. Now instead of wait statement, I am going to use synchronization point. What is the syntax for inserting synchronization point? Tell me, Manjula, what is the syntax? Manjula responding very slowly. You tell me, Firoj Rai.
Yes, sir. Object dot wait property.
Object hierarchy. 1 minute. Okay. Object hierarchy. Here, what is the object hierarchy? See, if you want to insert, concentrate. If you want to insert wait statement, blindly you can insert. If you want to insert wait synchronization point, if you want to insert synchronization point, two things important. First one, try to identify the object on which we need to insert synchronization point. Try to identify the object. Second thing, try to identify the property. Object, then property. If it is wait statement, blindly you can insert, no problem. If it is synchronization point, object reference required. First try to identify the object, then property. These two informations required. Tell me Firoj Rai, here what is the object and property? Firoj Rai.
The object is delete.
Object is delete order button.
Button and the value, the property is delete.
Property is?
Delete.
Delete. What is delete property? What is delete property? No such type of property for any object. No such type of property. See, object is delete order button. Okay. Why? It has to wait up to delete order button get enabled. No issues up to click on insert order button. No issues up to click on insert order button. After clicking on insert order button, that operation is taking more time than synchronization. Example, immediately QTP is providing next instruction. Click on delete order button. That time delete order button is in disabled condition. It has to wait up to delete order button get enabled. Object is delete order button. Okay. But property, what is the property? Can you tell me, Sandeep?
Sir, I think it is enabled.
Yes, enabled property. See, enabled true means enabled. Enabled false means disabled. See, here object hierarchy. Take delete order button object hierarchy. There we are getting the problem. Delete order button dot wait property. This is method. Next property. See, syntax also it is showing in tooltip. Context help. Property name enabled, comma, property value true. True means enabled. It has to wait up to enabled status is true. It has to wait the delete order button get enabled. True. True is reserved word. No need to use double quotes. Next time in milliseconds. Suppose 30,000 milliseconds means 30 seconds. See, time is optional. If you don't provide the time, that is indefinite. Sometimes makes problem. Example, wait for your friend half an hour. For half an hour. Wait for your friend for half an hour. See, up to half an hour you wait. After half an hour you can leave. Suppose if you don't specify the time, wait for your friend. How much time? 1 hour, 1 day, 2 days. So here time is optional, but try to mention the time. Otherwise, if passes scenario, it will execute properly. If suppose failed scenario is there, that time it waits indefinite time. See, run the script. Observe Sujata. Here I gave 30,000 milliseconds means 30 seconds. Actually, there 5 or 6 seconds sufficient. Observe. Over. What you observed? Tell me, Sujata, what you observed? Differentiate wait statement and synchronization point.
Sir, it didn't wait for the given time, sir. We gave 30 seconds, but...
Okay. See, synchronization point waits required time only. Suppose 30 seconds we gave, 5 seconds required, it waits 5 seconds only, then it will go to next statement immediately. Suppose 10 seconds required, it can wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, next statement. Even though we provided time 30 seconds. 29 seconds required, it can wait 29. After 29, it will go to another statement. See, synchronization point waits required time only, not maximum time. Okay. See, this time we typed this statement. Instead of that, tool navigation also there. Using tool navigation, we can generate that one. Using tool navigation, we can generate. I will show that navigation. Just 1 minute. See, first I removed that statement. If you run the script, problem remains same. See, problem there. Stop. Insert synchronization point. Earlier we typed that statement directly. Syntax object hierarchy dot wait property within double quotes property name, comma, property value, comma, time in milliseconds. But this time using tool navigation, I am going to generate that one. See, place cursor in desired location after insert order statement. Next, keep tool in recording mode required. Otherwise, go to insert menu. Synchronization point item is in disabled state. See, first select record mode. Next, insert synchronization point. Show the object. Here object is delete order button. Show the object. Click OK. Select property name. Here property is enabled. Property value is true. Next, set timeout. Suppose I want 30 seconds, 30,000 milliseconds. Click OK. Stop recording. Now observe. Selected statement. Same statement generated. Earlier we typed, this time using tool navigation we generated. Run the script. Over. Just I will remove this statement. Sujata, guide me how to insert how to insert synchronization point using tool navigation.
So, first we have to select the record mode, sir.
1 minute. First place cursor in desired location. Next, select record mode. Continue.
And insert menu. Select synchronization point. Show the object.
Show the object.
And here click OK. So give the property name.
Select property name. Select. Already list is there. Drop down is there. Enabled. Next.
Give the property value.
Enter the value of property. Enter the value.
And enter the time.
Set the time. Suppose I want 30 seconds. Click OK.
Okay.
Stop recording. Stop recording. See, same statement generated. Just run the script, it will execute. See, tomorrow I will show one more example. Today I covered that one also, increasing tool default time also. See, in this example we covered inserting wait statement, inserting synchronization point. Next, third one, increasing tool default time. 1 minute. Remove the statement. Run the script. Definitely it will show error. Run the script. Error. Run error. Stop. This time increase the tool default time. You know the navigation. File menu, settings, run. Here object synchronization timeout 20 seconds. Otherwise, suppose I want 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Apply. OK. Next, run the script. Over. See, already we discussed there is a difference between first two methods and third one. First two methods applicable on statement level. Last one is this is increasing tool default time is test level. Did you find any advantage in this increasing tool default time, Sujata? Did you find any advantage? Okay. See, we increased the time to 30 seconds. It is applicable for test level. Is it taking 30 seconds for any statement?
No, sir.
Your voice is very low. You continue, Firoj Rai?
No, sir.
No. No. Why? See, as like synchronization point, this feature also won't take maximum time for any statement. Required time only. Suppose first statement 1 second, second statement half second, fourth statement 10 seconds, fifth statement 2 seconds. See, it takes required time only. It won't wait maximum time. Even though we increase the tool default time to 100 seconds or 110 seconds, it takes required time only for every statement. But it can wait maximum time. Means it can wait means if required it can wait. Otherwise it takes required time only. Okay. Tomorrow I will explain one more example. Then you can get more clarity. Okay. We will meet tomorrow at same time.